Welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to change the country in your Google Play Store account. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner to access your account settings. From here, tap Settings, then select General and tap Account and Device Preferences. In this menu, you will see an option called Country and Profile. If you have recently moved or traveled to a new country, Google Play will detect this and give you the option to switch your Play Store country. If you are eligible, you will see a new country option listed here. Tap on the new country and confirm your selection. Keep in mind that switching your country will change the available apps, content, and prices to match that region. You may also need to add a payment method that matches the new country, as Google Play requires local payment information for certain regions. Once you confirm your new country, the Google Play Store will update. Keep in mind that you can only change your country once per year, so make sure you choose the correct location. If you don't see the option to change your country, it could be because you were using Google Play Balance, which is tied to your current country. Unfortunately, Google Play Balance doesn't transfer between countries, so you will need to spend it before you can switch. If the option still doesn't appear, you might need to clear the cache and data of the Google Play Store. To do this, go to Settings, tap Apps, then App Management. Find Google Play Store and tap Storage. Select Clear Cache and Clear Data. After that, restart your device and check if the country change options is available again. Also, make sure your phone's location settings are correct. Go to Settings, tap Location, and make sure it's turned on. This can help the Play Store detect your new country. If you are still having trouble, consider creating a new Google account with the country of your choice. Once created, you can log into the Play Store with the new account and access apps from that country without changing the settings on your current account. And that's it. We have covered several ways to change your country in the Google Play Store. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thank you so much.